Welcome to this new guide. In this guide I'll show you how to rename your CPU model to anything you want. I'm not responsible for any damages caused by this guide. Continue at your own risk. First we will start off by creating a system restore point. This is just in case you want to revert changes or something messes up. Now that we are done with the restore point, we can proceed to downloading the replace registry values tool. Link is in the description to download. Now extract the regresposible.exe file to desktop. Now run regresposible.exe as an administrator. If this Windows protected your PC window pops up, then click on More Info and Run anyway. Then click Yes on User Account Control window. Now right-click on Taskbar and click on Task Manager. Then click More Details and click on the Performance tab. Now you can see your current CPU model. Now type your CPU model without any mistakes carefully into text to replace text box just as you can see in the example. Now in the replace with text box, type the name you want to name the CPU as. Make sure HKY_local_machine is selected and click Start. In the error message click on No. Now the process is done and you can exit the registry replace tool and exit out of Task Manager. As you can see in Task Manager, my CPU's name has now been changed. You can also see this in the Settings app. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this guide. If you have any questions, ask in a comment.